Paintbrush ears, the lynx. Lynx is the common name for 4 species of medium-sized wild cats that belong to the lynx genus. These cats are characterized by their short tails, tufted ears, and distinctive facial ruffs. The 4 species of lynx are the Eurasian lynx, the Iberian lynx, the Canadian lynx, and the bobcat. The Eurasian lynx is the largest of the lynx species, with a range that extends across Europe and Asia. They have thick, grayish-brown fur, with distinctive black spots, and are powerful hunters capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. The Iberian lynx is one of the rarest cat species in the world, with a range that is limited to small areas in Spain and Portugal. They are smaller than the Eurasian lynx, with distinctive black tufts of fur on their ears, and are critically endangered. The Canadian lynx is found throughout Canada and Alaska, as well as in parts of the northern United States. They have a thick coat of grayish-brown fur, with black tufts on their ears, and are adapted to hunting in the snow and cold temperatures of their northern habitats. The bobcat is found throughout North America, from southern Canada to Mexico. They are smaller than the other lynx species, with reddish-brown fur and distinctive black spots. They are also adapted to a variety of habitats, including forests, deserts, and swamps. All lynx species are carnivores, and primarily hunt small to medium-sized mammals such as rodents, hares, and deer. They are solitary animals that are most active at dawn and dusk, and are known for their stealth and agility. Lynx populations have been threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. Efforts to protect and conserve these species have included habitat restoration, captive breeding programs, and restrictions on hunting and trapping. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great time, like and subscribe.
You can support us with buying one of our cool t-shirts.